Hello and welcome to another Blackboard tutorial video. This video is the companion to the Creating Blackboard Dropboxes video, and we're going to be talking about how to actually mark assignments that the students have submitted. Before we get started, I want to mention that there is another video that we've created that talks about how to upload documents back to students. And that is a far more extensive outline of the process that we're going to talk about here. It covers a lot more detail, so it's very useful for you to check out. But in this video, we're just going to be covering the bare bones grading with an assignment Dropbox. So we want to start by logging into our Blackboard course and going into the Grade Center. And the Grade Center is basically the nexus of all of your Blackboard assessments. Anything that can be marked in Blackboard is going to be in the Grade Center. So I want to click on Full Grade Center. And what I'm going to see here is a list of all my students that are enrolled in my course. This course only has one Mr. Demo student here. And all of the assessments, tests, assignments, everything that I created for this student to do. So what we see here is essay number 1, which is the assignment that we're going to be marking. It's the assignment that we created in our previous video. We want to be able to mark this assignment now. And you can tell when you have something that needs to be marked because this little yellow exclamation point appears here and it says needs grading if I hover over it. So this is a visual indication to you as the instructor that this student has submitted their assignment and you can go ahead and grade it now. What we want to do to be able to grade this assignment is click on this little down arrow right here, and this down arrow will appear as soon as you hover over this cell here. It's kind of like Excel that way. And I just want to click on this down arrow and I want to click on the attempt. Okay, and you can see right off the bat that it gives me the date that the student submitted their document, which is really useful if you're trying to figure out when the student submitted their document. So I'm going to click on the attempt, and it brings me to this screen here. So this is where I actually download the document that the student submitted. If they've written any comments, they'll appear here. This student didn't write any comments, so there aren't any to display, but if they did, this is where they would be. And I can click this download button and download my student's document. Let's just pretend that this is the document that the student has submitted to me. I can read the document. This is all good, very nice. And I want to go back to Blackboard now and assign my student a grade. Again, you do have the ability to go in and make changes to this document in Microsoft Word and then reattach it, but we have a separate, more comprehensive video that talks about that. For now, we're just going to show you how to give the student a grade and give them some basic feedback. So to give the student a grade, what I want to do is I want to come over here and I want to click on this box here, which is where I would go to type in a grade. I want to type in the number on my keyboard, and I want to give the student some feedback. This needs to be reviewed. I can type whatever feedback I want in here. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to click Submit. And what that's going to do is it's going to save the grade and display it to the student. If you're curious about how to control your columns in the Blackboard Grade Center, again, we have a video that talks about how to do that. It's the Introduction to the Blackboard Grade Center video. But you can see what we've done is very quickly gone in, downloaded the student's assignment, and then posted a grade and some basic comments for them to see. Thank you for watching.